I hope by the end of this you realize that there is no real excuse if you do want to eat better at home, even if you have a long shift, a long day at work, and you come home tired. This is really quick and easy to put together, full of nutrition. Let's take a look. One of my favorite parts about this recipe is this homemade taco seasoning. I have had a number of store-bought ones, and while they can be good, they've never been as good as just like a homegrown blend that I've just learned to love, and it's very simple. But you can always use your favorite taco seasoning to save even more time. Once you've got that, switch over to a pan and heat it up, and then add in that ground beef. Break it up, season it with some salt, and just start cooking it and breaking it into smaller chunks until it's mostly all brown. Then add in your garlic, the onions, and a generous amount of that homemade or your favorite store-bought taco seasoning. Sweat this out. It's gonna get super nice and fragrant, and once it looks something like this, after about 5 minutes, you can add in those tomatoes. Just let this break down as you lower the heat, and in case you do want a bit more sauce, then add some water and just cook it down. Let the flavors melt for another minute to 5 minutes. And this here just shows how quick and easy it is to put together this amazing burrito bowl. I'm giving you options. There's lots of toppings here. Some homemade pico, which you can always substitute with just tomatoes, with some lime juice. There's black beans that I made at home, but you can always just use it from the can. It's a nice Mexican blend of cheese. There's some fresh cilantro and some fresh avocado, like lettuce for some extra crunch. There's just so much you can do and really just make it your own. So you have no excuses when it comes time to wanting to have a better diet when you do come home from a long day at work. If you like this video, then you will definitely enjoy this Mediterranean style stir fry with couscous and sun-dried tomatoes. Check that out right over here.